allowances is there, right? Exemptions. Then okay. So
Yeah.
based on here, you will get the exemption amounts, allowances based on your filing status. Married, for example, married, filing jointly, filing separately, you will have. So you will get the exemptions based on your filing status.
Okay.
Okay. So then what else is left? I think.
We haven't done it.
Indirect valuations, right? We discussed this in the last session, right? Inval, PRZNT, SAME, tariff.
Okay.
Indirect valuation means we took an example of HRA, right?
Oh, okay.
Right? We
Yeah.
defaulted the amount into info type rate also, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Got it. Yes.
So that is what set up indirect valuation.
Okay. Okay.
This is our employee, right?
Yes.
So if you are running for payroll for US, right?
Yeah.
So go to P01. Okay, so this is the schema. Okay, so U000 is a standard schema for US. You just
Okay.
enter the U000, copy to with the Z, start with the Z. 700 I am copying. Okay,
Yeah.
so copy this. ZN00 is already existing. Okay, ZNIR I am copying. Okay, so I copied this. Okay,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So just before going into here, just go to easy access here. And one more thing, you just can enter slash or U10 you can enter.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, not U10. Okay, so PC10. So PC10 is nothing but it's for US. Otherwise, if you want to run for Australia, you just go to PC13,
Oh,
which is
PC
nothing but
followed by
country
10.
group. Sorry, see
Okay.
13 is
PC
nothing
then
but
followed.
country grouping,
Yeah. Yeah.
payroll calculation for country grouping. So PC10 is for
US.
US. Here, if you expand it, M10, M10, M99 is nothing but it is global,
Universe. Yeah.
international, unique. Okay. So now it just, if you want to run for only country EC13 is for Australia. See, is M13, M13, M13 and also, okay, all
Yep.
these things. So we are running for US, just go to PC13, sorry 10. So payroll. So this is simulation, right?
Yeah.
Simulation is nothing but test run, right?
Yep.
So what is your payroll area? This is your payroll area. So if you are forgot, just select, just click on display. So here, right, this is your payroll area. Select this. Okay, select for current period and remove this and give your employee number here 1056. Save, enter. So schema, we copied Z NIR, right?
Yep.
Okay. So our employee is there from 1 2015, right? I think. Enter
Yep.
1 2015. Okay. So just execute it. You will get error. I'll explain you those. See, info type 210 W4 for Federal Tax Authority is missing. Period 15-1. Check 31-1 2015. Please check info type. Okay, so now we maintain info type 2010 210, right? Just now.
I don't think we have we done that.
W4 and W5, right?
No. Okay.
So it's there in the system. Okay, it is there, right? 1/1/2015 to 31/12/1999. Just save it.
Yeah.
Right now you got that error, but why you are getting this XP field? I think somebody changed it. This is actually standard rule. Somebody changed division by zero.
Hmm.
It changed in it, saved it. So see here, no data stored for basic pay. So that is the reason. So in the basic pay you are not getting, you are not having any value, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So that is the reason, means zero. So that is not, it's not using anything. So just you need to create. See, it is, you are getting entry in tax table, tax authority with FT US01 is missing.
Where in? We just now
See
maintained it,
here.
isn't it?
No, it is tax with tax fed US01 is missing. It is showing.
Oh. Okay.
So here tax fed. US01 should be, just check in the table D for UTP. Okay. SM30 V underscore T YU0 E. Our says new, right? New work. Here we maintain actually US01 is there. One more thing you need to do is see here it is calculating taxes, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
So but in for US what the system will do is in SAP system will not calculate the taxes because for to calculate the taxes we have a tool called BSI. In US we have BSI. Okay, BSI tax factory. Okay, so this is the BSI's business software incorporation is the software to calculate the taxes in US. So here in the system what we will do is you have a T code called SM59. So here, see here you will need to maintain the connections between this SAP and the BSI.
Okay.
So here we will maintain means you means the basis people will set up this connections. You need not to worry, but you. So just I am showing you here. Okay. So here in the TCP IP we will have right
Yeah.
BS US. Okay, this is so they will maintain the IPs and all. Okay, the path. Okay, so log on and security. And the IP address means that is not. So activate RFC trace and all they will maintain here.
Okay.
Okay, so here they will maintain and they will connect the tests. Okay. So here, but it is previous version means BSI tax factory. Okay, 7, but it is now the latest one is 10. Okay, so the BSI is the third party tool to calculate the taxes. So in SAP system will not. So whenever you are running that payroll, so it RFC will trigger and it will go data will go to BSI and it will calculate the taxes. Okay, and it will give the results. Okay, it's an automation process.
It will give you the results in SAP as well, right?
Sorry.
The BSI calculates the taxes and it will reflect in SAP?
Yeah, it will reflected in SAP itself.
Okay.
Okay, the results and the tax details, everything will be displayed in this here only, but calculation will be takes place in that third party system.
Okay.
Okay. So now what you need to do is you need to deactivate this process because we are not having this connectivity now, right?
Yeah.
So just go to P01. The tax process you need to deactivate.
I
ZNIR, right?
I yeah.
Yeah. So see here you need to check here the process is UTPRI, right?
Yeah.
So here you have a block called calculate taxes. So here
Okay.
you will have UTX0, right? Calculate
Okay.
taxes. If you double click on this, you will have UPTRI,
Okay.
right? UTPRI, process tax priority, right? So it is what you are getting, UTPRI,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you just put a star. Put a star means it is you are deactivating that process.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Save it. Then now go to the schema, means process. So now it is getting under successful personal members, right?
Okay.
So here you have a form, right? This is nothing but your payslip. So 5 BAs, you are getting basic and your amount, total earnings. So till now we are not configured any deductions. If you configured that benefits, right? If we configure this benefits, okay,
Mm-hmm.
then that deductions will be reflected in your payslip. This is nothing but a payslip only,
But
right?
this
So
this
your name,
we
personal number,
run
SSN.
this thing
Hello?
we did for an employee, right? But in a company, they won't be doing it individually. They must be doing it in a mass or something.
Yeah, I'll tell you that. See here you are giving an employee number, right?
Yeah.
If you remove this employee number,
Okay.
okay, so it will run for all the employees who are having this payroll area.
Okay.
Okay, so like that they will schedule a jobs for each payroll
Oh,
area. Okay,
okay.
for example, in each payroll area, if you have like 1,000 or 10,000 employees,
Hmm.
okay, that depends. 1,000 means 2,000, 3,000. Depends on each payroll area. If you have 1,000 to 5,000, let's say, okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
then they will give the payroll area only. They will not give employee number. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, you have selections form here is there, right?
Okay.
Just select this, or you have only personal number and payroll area. Okay. So means sometimes you will have means not in this payroll you will have other additional options also here. You just give only payroll area. No need to give the employee number. Okay. Then it will run for all the payroll employees who are under that payroll area. Okay.
Okay.
That is mass. Okay.
Yeah. And how this payment process takes out of SAP, takes place also out of SAP. Say for example, I'm the employee. The payroll is run, and I should get $10,000 in my account at the end of the month. So how
Yeah.
that process goes after generating payslip?
After generating the payroll, means after completing the payroll, you will create a file. Okay. So here
What
you
file?
got the results, right? Okay. Here, oh, you will get the results, right?
You mean the payslip, right?
Yeah. That means not in the payslip also. You have so many things here actually. In the final processing, you have a RT table, results table, right?
Okay.
This is internal table. So here you got the payment, bank pay. This is a final payment, right? 55
Okay.
560 amount to be paid is there, right?
Okay.
So they will write a program, okay,
Mhm.
right? They means generally we will write a programs, okay. We'll read this info type and we'll read the we'll read this wage type and we'll read this amount based on employee wise, okay.
Okay.
So means
But
you suppose you have run per one payroll area and under that you have thousand employees,
yeah.
okay. So
Yeah.
for every employee, this wage type will be generated, right?
Okay.
So you will take a unique, you will pass in the program. What you will pass the employee number.
Yes.
Okay, you will pass the employee number, or you can directly pass payroll area also, right?
Okay.
Okay, so it will loop each every employee. Okay,
Yeah.
it will read this wage type and it will read the amount. Means it will capture this wage type and amount. So
Okay.
finally you will get an output with a employee list,
Employees and amount to
this
be
wage
paid.
type
Yeah.
and the amount to be paid.
Yeah.
Okay. So that file you will send it to a bank. That is called bank transfer file. So in SAP also you can generate a file, but that is depends on in your customer. So you have like a example.
But how the employee will, I mean, how the bank will, uh,
Sorry.
or they have the list of employee number versus bank number, bank account,
Means we will send the file based on their format only.
and bank's format.
Okay. Yeah. See,
Okay.
interface will be there. Output, inbound, outbound interfaces will be there, right? Inbound means someone will send the data to the SAP system. Outbound means you are reading the data from out in SAP system, sending the details to third party system.
Okay.
Okay. So there will be FTPs. FTP is nothing but file transfer zones, right?
I'm
So
with you.
there will be file transfer jobs will be there. So here SA11 is nothing but this is file transfer paths actually. So this will be set up basis people will set up these transfer zones. Okay, so here from the FTP, okay, so means you place the transfer file to in that FTP zone, and whenever the file is generated in that FTP zone, the bank will, okay, their software will pick up the data and they will read that in the format.
Okay.
Okay. So means basically we'll take the file from the bank. So in which format you want a file. Okay. So
Yeah.
in that format, we'll give the logic to the ABAP, and the ABAP people write a code, means program, and we'll test that and we'll place the file in that FTP zone. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
from there they will pick up the file.
Okay. And
Right.
say for example, I generated a file and I give it for checking. Like they must be cross-checking it that whether the salary is properly credited or not. Say for
Okay.
example, there is some mistakes in an employee's pay, and
Okay.
instead of counting days 30, it was counted 20, and now again I want to run the payroll. Can I do that?
Yeah, you can do that.
How many
But
times? Like,
generally, what we means if it is for most means so means for a lot of members means for like for example you are running 1,000 employees means maximum number of members getting that okay amount okay incorrectly, then you can run you can rerun the payroll. But if it is 1 or 2 employees, you can do means you can do the retro in the next month or next week.
okay. Say for example, I got 1,000 employees and only one person has incorrect data. So can I
Okay.
run payroll for that simple single
You
employee
can
number?
do for one employee also, but you can like you can tell them that you will get it in next month, or means if the employee wants immediately, then you can do it. There is you can do it, no problem.
But
We
there
can
is no
rerun that.
effect on SAP, like or any of the other
Sorry,
data. There is no
sorry.
impact. There is no impact
No,
on payroll
there
cycle.
is no impact. There is no impact.
Okay, okay.
You can correct the data means you can wherever you means you can analyze that why it is mistake in giving the wrong amount. You just
Yeah.
correct it. You can just rerun it.
Why I'm asking you the question, because in my company, my ex company, we had outsourced payroll to TCS, and
Okay.
what we used to send is employee data like attendance and all, and they used to generate the file whatever you're saying. They used to generate the pay slips and send it to us in Excel file. Then we used to
Okay.
check them and rectify the errors and send them back.
Okay.
Again, they used to send us new file. So this, I
Okay.
think this happens like 2-3 times every month because
Means
monthly payment.
that is what you have simulation, right? Before running the live, okay, you can do the simulation.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can check there itself, right?
Okay.
So that's why means before simulations means in the simulation you can generate a file and you can give an Excel and you can check it,
Okay. Okay.
cross check it, and then you can run the live.
Final payroll.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
So tomorrow we will see the benefits process, and I will show that deductions in the here in the payslip.
So this payroll thing is over. There's nothing left in payroll thing.
I'll explain you one more one. I will explain you the details one more time.
Okay. Okay. That'll be good.
So means this is only a test run, right? I'll explain you the process of live run.
Okay. Fair enough.
Okay.